Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and let your body relax naturally. There's nothing to do, just breathe. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold your breath for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Allow each breath to become calmer, deeper, and with each exhalation, imagine the stress drifting away like a cloud dissolving in the sky. Bring your attention to your body. Feel your feet or the support of the chair or your mat. Imagine roots coming down from the base of your body, deep into the earth. Each root brings stability, calm, and security. You are anchored. You are safe. And you are present. You are anchored. And you are safe. And you are present. Now imagine a soft, warm light coming down from above and enveloping you like an embrace. This light calms your mind and relaxes your heart. Every part of your body is alive. Every thought becomes quiet. And you feel light, calm, and protected. Slowly bring your attention to your breath. Inhale calmness. Exhale gratitude. And when you're ready, gently move your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes, and the calm that you found within yourself will stay with you for the rest of today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. Thank you and see you soon.